I am sharing my jackfruit burger recipe. Let's get started. The list of the ingredients and quantities will be listed down below. Don't forget to check that out. You will need jackfruit, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, brown sugar, and barbecue sauce. Drain the jackfruit pieces and wash them well. Pat them dry with a paper towel. Once they are completely dried, we are going to shred them into pieces using our hands. In a medium-sized frying pan, heat some oil and add your jackfruit pieces. We are going to saute the pieces for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you are going to add all of your spices and you are going to mix them well. Now we are going to add our barbecue sauce and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and we are going to mix that well. You can add a bit of more water if you feel like your mixture is getting dry. We are going to cook the mixture on a low to medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes until the jackfruit is fully cooked. Now we are going to toast our buns. While the buns are toasting, we are going to make our coleslaw. You will need cabbage, mayo, and coleslaw dressing for it. Mix it well. You can add a bit of salt and pepper if you like. I like the coleslaw just with the dressing. Now we are ready to assemble our burgers. Add a generous scoop of your jackfruit filling to your burger. Now we are going to top that filling with our coleslaw. If you like a bit of heat, you can also add a bit of sriracha to your burger. And your jackfruit burgers are ready to eat. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel.